Morning, folks. You may remember that I was trying to figure out this circular waterfall that Tana Creative posted. Incredible, huh? Just amazing. Okay, so I tried to do a mock-up. So using just junk mail and scrap cardboard, this is the mock-up I tried to make. And I got it going pretty well. Oops. As you can see there. And so, wow, what do I do for that back of the photos? You know, lots of things to think about. So for the next pages of our anniversary album, I pulled out 16 photos, cut them into squares, and backed them with this handmade paper I bought decades ago. Finally using up some of my stash. And let's see how this goes. Let's see. Whee! Yeah, now on the way back I might hit a couple of flat tires. So far so good. Yay, it flipped, okay. Yay!